Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Grand Seiko watches that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for elegance, precision, or just a statement accessory, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the SRPB 77 automatic watch for men from Seiko's Presage Cocktail Time collection. This watch stands out with its patterned silver dial that boasts a stunning gloss finish. Inspired by cocktail aesthetics, its design is both refined and playful, making it a versatile option for formal and casual settings. The date calendar is a practical feature, adding functionality to its elegant design. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, so you don't have to worry about minor splashes. The build quality here is impressive, with a stainless steel case that feels robust yet lightweight. The deployment clasp with push-button release ensures a secure and comfortable fit. Performance-wise, the automatic movement offers reliable precision, and the manual winding option provides flexibility for those who prefer a hands-on approach. With a power reserve of approximately 41 hours, it's a solid performer for daily wear. Priced at $360, this watch is the most premium option in our lineup. While it may not boast the heritage of the Grand Seiko models, it delivers exceptional value for its price. Ideal for those who want a blend of style and functionality without breaking the bank, it's a great entry point into Japanese watchmaking. Pros include the elegant design, reliable movement, and affordability. On the downside, it lacks some of the craftsmanship seen in higher-end Grand Seiko models. At number 4, we have another standout from Seiko's Presage Cocktail Time collection, the automatic watch for men with golden numerals and a rich green dial. Inspired by the Mojito cocktail, this watch is a perfect blend of playful charm and refined craftsmanship. The graduated green dial features a pressed pattern reminiscent of light reflected off a cocktail glass, giving it a unique aesthetic. The golden numerals add a vintage touch, complementing the casual yet elegant vibe of the design. This watch is crafted with a stainless steel case and a tan leather strap, offering a comfortable and stylish fit. The box-shaped crystal further enhances its retro appeal. Performance-wise, the automatic movement ensures reliable timekeeping, and the 41-hour power reserve makes it convenient for extended wear. The screw-down, see-through caseback adds a modern touch, letting you admire the intricate mechanics inside. Water resistance of up to 50 meters makes it suitable for everyday use. While the price is not readily available, it's clear this watch offers excellent craftsmanship and design for those who appreciate the artistry of Japanese watchmaking. It's an ideal choice for someone seeking a timepiece that stands out without being overly formal. However, it might not be the best option for those looking for more advanced features or the legacy of a Grand Seiko. Pros include its unique design, reliable performance, and comfortable fit, while the lack of transparent pricing could be a drawback. Coming in at number 3, we have the End of Autumn Seiko Special Edition SBGA 429 from Grand Seiko. This watch is a masterclass in Japanese craftsmanship, celebrating the Seiko season, the end of autumn. The shadow gray dial features vertical textures inspired by the bamboo forests of Kyoto, while the green accents on the seconds hand and power reserve indicator symbolize the life and vibrancy of the season. The overall design is poetic, blending nature and time into a seamless aesthetic. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the 39mm case diameter and 12.3mm thickness make it comfortable for daily wear. The sapphire crystal dial window adds scratch resistance and clarity. Powered by Grand Seiko's Spring Drive 9R65 caliber, this watch delivers exceptional precision, with accuracy of 1 second per day, a remarkable feat for a mainspring-driven movement. With a water resistance of 100 meters, it's versatile enough for everyday use and occasional adventures. Priced at $5,350, this watch is a significant investment, but offers unparalleled artistry and precision for its value. It's perfect for collectors or anyone who appreciates the intersection of nature and craftsmanship. Pros include its poetic design, exceptional accuracy, and durable build quality. On the downside, its premium price tag might be a barrier for casual buyers. At number 2, we have the Japan Four Seasons Special Edition Shunbun Spring Dial SBG A413 by Grand Seiko. This exquisite timepiece captures the fleeting beauty of sakura blossoms during the vernal equinox, with its delicate pink dial symbolizing flower rafts floating on water. The titanium case and band are lightweight yet durable, making this watch as practical as it is beautiful. The deployment clasp ensures a secure fit while maintaining elegance. The craftsmanship here is second to none. The spring drive movement combines mechanical watchmaking with quartz-level accuracy, offering precision of 1 second per day. The sapphire crystal dial window provides excellent scratch resistance and clarity, while the 100-meter water resistance adds versatility. The 40mm case diameter and 12.8mm thickness strike a balance between presence and comfort, making it suitable for various wrist sizes. Priced at $8,300, this watch represents the pinnacle of Grand Seiko's artistry and innovation. It's ideal for collectors and enthusiasts who value unique designs and technical excellence. However, the high price point might deter those seeking a more accessible entry into luxury watchmaking. Pros include the stunning design, lightweight titanium build, and exceptional accuracy. Cons are the premium pricing and potentially niche appeal of the pink dial. And finally, at number 1, we have the men's Grand Seiko Spring Drive Movement Blue Snowflake Dial SBGA 407. This watch is an absolute masterpiece, featuring a dial inspired by the windswept snow in the mountains of Shinshu. Known as the snowflake, this texture has captivated watch enthusiasts globally. The subtle blue coloring enhances the dial's elegance, while the gliding movement of the blue steel second hand adds a mesmerizing touch to the design. The stainless steel case and buckle clasp are meticulously crafted, ensuring durability and a comfortable fit. The spring drive movement offers quartz-level accuracy while maintaining the mechanical charm, with a maximum winding duration of 72 hours. The sapphire crystal dial window provides excellent scratch resistance, and the 40mm case diameter strikes a perfect balance between presence and wearability. Water resistance of 100 meters makes it versatile enough for daily wear. Priced at $6,350, this watch is a worthy investment for anyone seeking timeless elegance and unparalleled craftsmanship. It's ideal for collectors and professionals who want a statement piece that's as functional as it is beautiful. Pros include the stunning dial design, exceptional accuracy, and robust build quality. Cons include its premium price and a design that might be too understated for those seeking a flashier aesthetic. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.